So today we are going to discuss about Relux software, which is a lighting simulation software. And currently in the market, we are using this Relux software for doing the lighting design for various areas inside a building. So let us create a room or a specific area with specific dimensions inside Relux software. And also let us add some CAD plan, existing CAD plan into the Relux software for doing the lighting design. If you want to do like a small areas lighting design, you can create that in Relux software itself by giving all the dimensions regarding with that area, and let us select different light fixtures either from the library or directly from the internet, and using that light fixtures, let us do the lighting design of that respective area. Otherwise, if you are having a specific CAD plan, that CAD plan can be added or uploaded to the Relux software. Let us do all the lighting design there, and after placing all the light fixtures, let us export that plan with all these light fixtures placed into CAD again, and let us continue to do our lighting design, that is lighting layout preparation. Okay. So today let us create using the simple options or tools in Relux software. Let us do the lighting design of a room which we are going to create inside Relux. So we are having some specific dimensions. Using the dimensions, we are going to create a room inside Relux itself. And after that, let us place all the light fixtures and let us do the lighting design. Okay, so let us start the class. So this is Relux 2022 version. So you're having a number of options here. Sample projects are available in here, like help. Sample project option is there. So this much projects are available for your reference. Then we are having options for creating interior scenes, interior with CAD plan, interior with background image, etc. Then we are having like exterior applications also, like road lighting, tunnel lighting, etc. The number of options are there. Add-ins are also available for AutoCAD as well as Revit softwares. Add-ins are available. For that, you may go to that license section. So in that licenses option, the Relux CAD for Autodesk AutoCAD is available, and Relux CAD for Revit is also available. Now let us create a simple room inside Relux software, and let us place all the light fixtures inside that room. So I'm going to start by clicking at this option, interior option. So give a project name or project number here. I'm giving like project number 1. And my object and installation type also can be entered here. After that, the customer name and process to buy. Then date is automatically set, and the project description can be entered in this column. Giving OK. Then we are having a new window here, and there you need to enter the room name, and I'm giving that as Office 1. I'm going to create an office room. I'm going to do the lighting design there. Then room type is there. Room type means room shape. We are having different shapes of rooms. A rectangular room is there, L-shaped room, semicircular, shed roof, polygon. If you want to make a unique shape, you may select the polygon option and freely can be draw the shape. Okay. Then I'm selecting, for the time being, I'm selecting a rectangular room. The dimensions I'm entering like 5 meter, 4 meter, 5 meter length and 4 meter width. Height can be set here. I'm selecting that as 3 meter. Then there is an evaluation area. There, height of the reference plane. So about the reference plane or working plane, already we have discussed in illumination theoretical class. That is, we are considering an imaginary plane all across the room, like at a specific height based on the application. For an office room, classroom, etc., that normal height will be around 0.75 meters. So I'm not going to change this value. I'm keeping that as the same. Then offset to the wall. That is, for that same imaginary wall, we need to give an offset. If you don't want to give the offset, you can set it as 0. Otherwise, let us select an offset here. So usually that offset is based on 15% rule option. And after that, one more option is there, that is additional measuring surfaces. That is, normally we are considering that illumination calculation of that reference plane or the working plane only. So if you want to add some more planes like wall, ceiling, they're all in each surfaces, you need to consider the lighting calculation, or you need to do that analysis of the illumination. Then that option also can be turned on. Here, I'm just turning that on, and after that, edit nominal values. Like, let us select different nominal values as per the application. So I'm going to nominal values option here. See, as per the standard, like European norms here, and number of options are, a number of different applications are listed here. So out of them, I'm selecting offices. In offices, a list of tasks are given here, like filing, copying, etc., writing, typing, technical drawing, CAD workstation, etc. If you are going through these values, you can see here, like the values are different for different applications. So I'm selecting filing, copying, etc. There you will be getting the lux level range, like 300 to 500 lux. Okay, so EM, R and EMU, like it is the average value, that is a 300 lux we need for a filing or copying section, and the upper limit is around 500 lux. Then U0 is uniformity ratio, which is a ratio of minimum and average lux levels. UGRL, it is related with glare, unified glare rating. RA is color rendering index, and lux level required for different surfaces also is available here. Okay, so I'm selecting the first option now, filing, copying, etc., and giving OK there. So after setting the nominal values, now we are having that access for editing the materials. I'm going to materials or textures. Why we are considering materials? We are considering materials for, like, the reflectance values will be different based on different types of materials and different colors of material. If you don't know about the material that we are going to use inside that room, we can skip that step. Okay, so it is an additional option for adding like materials here. Okay, so like default options are available here. Reflectance value for floor, it is 20%. For ceiling, it is 70%. For wall, it is 50%. So I'm selecting floor now. I need to select a particular material for my floor. Okay, then I'm selecting that. Then exchange option is there. Selecting marble, selecting a specific marble which is available in the texture library. Now, you may notice that reflectance value is changed here, 91.4%. Previously, it was 20%, and we are getting that as 91.4%. Okay, so I'm selecting that floor now. Similarly, ceiling, wall, door, etc. For all that, you may select the materials from the library. Anyway, I'm selecting only the floor for the time being and giving OK. Then there is provision for selecting the location also, but that one I'm not considering, and giving OK now. So this is the floor plan of that room that we are going to do the lighting this. Okay, so if you want to see the 3D view of the same room, you may go to the 3D option here, 3D. 3D view is available here. And there you can see this is that reference plane. So you may see, like at a specific height from the ground floor, a plane is there, that is reference plane or working plane. It is a main plane that we are considering for our lighting analysis. Then as I have added additional surfaces like wall, ceiling, etc. In each surfaces, one specific plane is considered. So this is the specific material that we have selected for the floor. If you want to change anything about this row, let us go to the project option. Edit is available there. I want to change the dimension. So length, width, etc. can be edited. Height, then height of the reference plane. Okay. Now, this is my room, or in Relux it is called as a scene. Now I need to add some furnitures into this room for making it more realistic. Before that, let us also add some door, window, etc. Actually, Relux is not a drafting software. It's a lighting simulation software, but there are some drafting tools also. So when you are preparing like a room like this that we have created now, and you are doing the lighting simulation, for making a better view, let us add some materials into this room. So for that, I am going to insert option, room object, window is there. See, I'm adding a window. I'm adding a window. Then I'm adding a door here. Okay. Then if I'm going to my floor plan now, that floor plan can be get by going to the status bar here. In the status bar, floor plan and 3D plan, both are available. You may move this door, window, etc. or you may edit its properties. If you want to move it, select it and going to start. You may make this grid snap off now. Now, just clicking at the axis, here you are having X and Y axis. If I want to make it along the X axis, I'm selecting at the X axis, clicking at the X axis, and you may freely move it. If you want to move it along the Y axis, just select at the Y axis and you may move it free. If you want to edit the properties of this door, just double click it. In this properties tab, let us edit the properties of this door. Same like window. Or dynamically, you can edit the length, width, etc. When you are selecting this, you will be getting two dots here, one here and one here. Just click at the dynamically. You may change the dimension of this door, window, or even the room. I'm selecting this room. We are getting, see, two dots are there. Just selecting here. You may increase the length or you may increase the width. In a 3D view, if I'm selecting that, I'm getting three dots here. Just clicking at here, you may increase the length, width, and also the height. Okay. So either by entering or editing the values or by dynamically, let us change anything related with this. Okay. Then if you want to edit the materials regarding the room, let us go to the project option. Edit option is there. Material, select the material. Then you may change the materials. You will be directed to that window of materials, and from there, let us exchange or change the materials which you need. And now I need to place some furnitures for the time being. Again, I'm going to insert option. 3D object is there. I'm going to add some on 3D object. I'm having some customized object here. So going to import that. It's an office application. So I'm selecting a set of furnitures like a table, chair, and a system. Add and close. Okay. So here we are having furniture is there, selecting and placing. So now it is looking like an office room. Now we need to add luminaries into this room. That is our main intention, the lighting design. So we go to that products option, luminaries. Either from the available library, let us add some luminaries. Otherwise, directly going to the RelaxNet website, let us download some luminaries, and using that luminaries also, let us perform the lighting design. So first I am filtering. A number of items are available, but I don't know which type of it is required, because like only the item numbers are there. So I need to filter here. So I'm selecting like interior, ceiling recessed luminary. Then I'm selecting this one specific word, adding that. So the details of this luminary, selected luminary, can be visible here. Its lumens value 4100 lumens. 34 watts is the power. CRA is 80 to 89. Okay. If you want to see that in detail, just add that luminary. Let us go to the selected option. All the details are available here. If all that parameters or properties are acceptable, it is a photo. Let us give OK. Okay. Don't forget to add the luminary. Okay, so after adding, give OK. Now, either you may add these luminaries based on your calculation. Otherwise, let us add it automatically using eSelect option. Already while starting this project or while creating this room, its nominal values have been selected. So based on the task, the nominal values, actually it is selected. So if you want to arrange the luminaries automatically based on that nominal values and all the dimensions, let us do that by using this option, eSelect option. eSelect. Just click at the eSelect option. So within seconds, you will be getting the result. Okay, so giving and closing. It is the result. It is a result overview. So there is a color scale. Actually, it is indicating that lux levels of different regions by different colors. So the areas with different colors are actually representing the brightness level, that is the lux level. So like here we are having two different colors, like some light green color and dark green color. That light green color around and at the center region, actually they are representing lux level from 300 to 500 lux. And that dark color, dark green color is indicating 500 to 750 lux. Let us compare all the values here. Total luminous flux is around 16,400 lumens. Total power 136 watts. Total power per area 6.62 watts per meter square. Then actually our nominal lux level was 300 lux and the calculated lux level should be greater than or equal to that value, and we are getting that as greater, that is 541 lux. Again, E minimum value, we are getting that as 349 lux. Uniformity ratio, which is the ratio between E minimum and E average, that is greater than 0.4, and it is greater than 0.4, 0.64. So the lux level and the uniformity ratio both are satisfied. UGR, Unified Glare Rating, that should be less than 19, and it is obviously less than 19, 16.8. So that is also okay. And let us compare all the values of different surfaces like ceiling, walls, etc. with the required lux level and the available lux level. Also, the uniformity ratios also for different surfaces can be compared here. At the last, you are getting the details of that luminary that we have selected, its parameters. This is the result overview. After the calculation, after applying this EasyLux, we are getting an additional tab like result. Luminary is also new tab here, and additionally, we are getting result. If you are going to that result option, overview, so this is the same one, overview, result overview, 3D luminance, 3D pseudo color view, 3D mountain plot. So these 4 options are available in the status bar also, like it is uncalculated 3D view, this is calculated 3D view, and it is also called as 3D luminance distribution. It is the illuminated view of the room that we have created. And it is pseudo colors view. In overview, we got the 2D view by different color patterns. And in pseudo colors view, we are getting that 3D view, and let us distinguish different regions by different colors in 3D here. So this green color, that is 300 to 500, and this dark yellow color, it is representing 200 to 300. Then light yellow color 150 to 200 lux. So at the worktop or at the working plane, we are getting around the required value, that is in between 300 to 750. Like some regions, we are getting that in between 300 to 500, and some regions dark green color 500 to 750. Last one is mountain plot. It is a 3D plot from which we can analyze at each coordinate, x and y coordinate, how much lux is getting. X coordinate, y coordinate, this is lux level. So let us analyze the lux level for different points. So that is a result that we are getting, result overview, and it is a luminance distribution view, pseudo color view, this one. It is pseudo color view, mountain plot. Now for this room, I need to add some extra luminaries. I need some extra brightness. So again, let us go to start. Select EasyLux option. It is asking there are already luminaries in the room. Delete this before calculation. I am giving no because I need the existing luminaries. In addition to that, I need some more brightness. So I'm giving no because already I have added general lights for maintaining my average level of brightness inside that room. In addition to that, I need some more brightness. So in addition to the existing luminary, I want to add some more lights. Okay, so I'm just pausing the simulation. I need to select some other type of luminary. So I'm going to catalog option. From here, I'm selecting some downlight luminary. Select, add, okay. After that, I'm adding illuminance of 200 lux. I need 200 lux extra. Using the luminary, that is the downlight, this one. Now it is arrangement. You may see that 2D view, and by this option, you may also see the 3D view. So I will explain each term in this eSelects window now. The luminary type, either from the list available. If you have added multiple items, multiple luminaries already, then from this available list, you can select that. Otherwise, you may directly go to the catalog. From this window, you can select again. Then maintenance factor. Maintenance factor, it is keeping like 0.8 for interior applications. Always 0.8 can be adopted. Otherwise, based on the application, like very clean room, low yearly usage, it is 0.8. Then if I'm selecting like exterior installation, 3-year maintenance cycle, it will be reduced. So I'm selecting very clean room, low yearly usage, 0.8. Mounting type, based on luminary, it is selected. Then either the number of luminaries or the illuminance can be fixed here. So suppose I am having a limited number of luminary, like I need only 4 number of luminaries, I can activate this one. There I can fix like 4 number. Otherwise, I can select the illuminance value. There I can set the illuminance level which I need. Here I need 200 lux more, so I am adding 200 lux. Then luminary arrangement can be changed. Okay. Now you can see that different luminary arrangements. Okay. Then number of luminaries in, that is the number of rows or columns can be changed here. Orientation of major axis along x-axis, along y-axis, that can be changed. So after giving all the required values, let us run the simulation. After getting the result, that is 10 luminaries, lux level 743 total. And I'm closing that. Now this is the result overview. So for the luminance distribution view, there let us see that this is the arrangement of that extra downlight layer. I need to rearrange them. I need to rearrange them so that I'm going to the 2D view again. Then here you can see that project window is available. If it is not available, you may just go to the window option, just activate this project window. So anyway, it is available now. So I'm going to the field one, that is about the first light fixture type. And field 2 is about the downlight, which we have added as the second layer. I'm selecting that field 2. If you want to edit any one independent light, suppose I'm selecting that, I'm going to that normal 2D view, and after that I'm selecting that entire field. The entire luminaries are selected. Field 1 and field 2, like this. If you want to edit that luminaries independently, one by one, then select them individually like this. And I need to change it, so you can change it. Like if you want to rearrange it, its spacing, etc., that can be rearranged like this. Okay, so it's spacing. You want to delete any of these items, select from here and click the delete button. It may be deleted. If you want to rearrange, you want to change the spacing, there you can change it individually. Okay, so in addition to that luminary which is available, so we have changed it, right? So if you want to change the distance between that first layer of luminary, then select the field 1. Then from there, suppose I'm changing that like this. Again, 1.2, this one, I'm changing that. like this. It can be edited. Okay. So that can be moved or that can be individually edited. That is also possible. Then after placing all these luminaries, now like if you want to see that overview, it is already available. That overview is available. So let us see that total luminous flux this much, total power is this much, total power per area. So the values are increased now because we have added one more layer of lighting, downlight. It will be the 2D, 3D luminance distribution. Like that, extra luminaries can be added based on our requirement. Now, this plan or this room, along with all these luminaries, I can export to the CAD software, AutoCAD software. So let us go to the file now. Export option is there. Then from there, let us select the first one, DXF or DWG. Select the drawing. So here, not any drawing that we have attached. If you have attached any CAD plan already, that drawing can be selected. And now we are having only one office room. So I have selected that office room. Then after that, give export option. Click this absolute scene position on after that export. So I'm giving like a name for that. Relax 1, office 1. Saving that in a folder which is accessible to me. So once you are saving that, it will automatically open in AutoCAD software. Is that enter? A enter? Yes. Zoom all. Now you can see this is the room that we have created in Relux software. And these are the luminary name tags. So that are available that are saved in different layers in AutoCAD. So whatever the layers we need, that only can be turned on. I'm just turning on the luminary layer. Now you can see the change. Then that tag I'm just turning off. Yes, this. So the room that we have created in Relax software can be exported to AutoCAD software like this. Now you can save this, save all the changes, and you can keep this room with all the light fittings. So this is how we are creating a room inside Relax software and exporting that to AutoCAD. Now, the results can be changed as PDF. If you want to save the result as PDF, just go to the Relax software. And you may go to the print option there. Like all these outputs can be saved here. So I'm selecting that general details. First page is the first page. Then luminary data. Then project description, its floor plan, its values, etc. The result overview. So all the pages can be selected. The option. And I'm saving that as a PDF, like selecting a folder, giving a relax output. There is my relax output. which is saved as a PDF. So this can be kept for your future reference. Yes. So that is how we are creating a room inside Relux software and doing all the lighting design and exporting that to AutoCAD software, then saving all the outputs as PDF. So in the next class, let us upload a AutoCAD plan to Relux software. Then inside that plan, for different areas, we'll be doing the lighting design, and let us export that all luminaries along with that AutoCAD plan to the AutoCAD software itself, and let us perform the lighting layout preparation. Okay then.